Alright! Miss Berkey, in all her infinite wisdom, chose our project.
I'm surprised she picked us. There were a lot of groups.
Well, bribery doesn't hurt.
I didn't think teachers accepted bribes.
Well, that had to be very substantial. Anyways, you ready to do this? Let's get to work!
Freaking Brennan and his lack of animating abilities.
He got in there with 2 coconuts! Get to work!
Hey, Muscle Talpa. Huh? I'm gonna teach you about muscles, okay? No! Me don't want to learn! Nobody does. Now, pay attention. There's 3 types of muscles. Skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. We're only gonna talk about skeletal, because we don't have to talk about the others. So, skeletal muscles are muscles that are attached to bones, as the name implies. Me no get it! Well, you know, skeletal system, skeletal muscle, they're both related to bones. That's what skeletal means. You lost me. Let's just forget I said anything. So muscles are bundles of things called fibers, which are made out of cylinders of muscle proteins. The proteins allow the muscles to contract. What contract mean? Like squeezing together. So the fibers contain 2 types of filaments that run along the long side of the muscle, thin and thick filaments. Thick filaments are made of a protein called myosin, and thin filaments are made of a protein called actin. Now thick filaments have 6 thin filaments around them in a hexagon pattern. Thick and thin filaments are attached to each other to another structure called the Z-disc or Z-line, which runs perpendicular to the long axis of the fiber. The myofibril that runs from one Z-line to another is called a sarcomere. Running up and down the Z-line is a small tube called the transverse or T-tubule, which is actually part of the cell membrane that extends deep inside the fiber. Inside the fiber, stretching along the long side between T-tubules, is a membrane system called the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which stores and releases the calcium ions that trigger muscle contraction. When the muscles receive the signal to contract, the myosin forms these things called cross bridges in between them, and the actin, which shortens the sarcomere. Is he sleeping?
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Well, wake him up! Are you little? Now that the international incident is over, let's get back to the muscles, please. Me like that was more fun than stupid muscles. Get over it. So, why you say so much? I don't know, I guess it's just my verbal filler. Anyways, when the skeletal muscles are contracting, it causes the bones they are connected to move, thus moving your body. But when you contract a muscle, it doesn't have the force to push wherever it was back into its normal position after it's been contracted. So it's like physics. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. What you mean? Well, try bending your arm. So now you have contracted the muscles in your bicep. Now relax. To do that, your body had to use the tricep instead of the bicep. The bicep was already contracted. It can't uncontract. Each muscle is a one-way mover. No! That was my animating arm!